React.js is a popular JavaScript library, maintaining by Facebook for the development of responsive dynamic web and mobile applications. Hello everyone, welcome to Infonet 360, I'm Kieran, and today I'm going to teach you about basic React.js interview questions and tips to answer effectively. Before we move forward, do subscribe to Infonet 360 YouTube channel and click on bell icon so that you never miss out on our upcoming videos and notifications. In this video we will cover the following important React.js interview questions. Question 1, what is React.js? Question 2, what problem does React.js solve? Question 3, what is the history of React.js? Question 4, what is the code architecture of React.js? Question 5, what are the advantages of React.js? Question 6, what is the difference between Angular and React? Question 7, what are the benefits of React.js? Question 8, what is state and constructor in React? Let's start. Question 1, what is React.js? Tip 1, React.js is an open-source JavaScript library. Tip 2, React.js used for building single-page applications specifically for user interfaces. Tip 3, React.js can handle view layer efficiently. Tip 4, React.js used for developing web and mobile apps. Tip 5, React.js also allows us to create reusable UI components. Tip 6, React.js is a front-end library, which runs in the browser. Question 2, what problem does React.js solve? Tip 1, React.js is a solution to a problem that developers faced when building user interfaces. Tip 2, React.js supports the developer to build complex user interfaces which have components that will change frequently over time. Tip 3, React.js saves time of developer, without having to write a lot of very tricky JavaScript code. Question 3, what is the history of React.js? Tip 1, React.js was created by Jordan Walk, a software engineer at Facebook, also released an early prototype of React called FAX.js. Tip 2, Jordan Walk was influenced by XHP, an HTML component library for PHP to release React.js. Tip 3, React.js was first deployed and used on Facebook's news feed in 2011 and later on Instagram in 2012. Tip 4, the main reason for developing React.js is to handle the user clicks around and changes the app's data, the view should react or change with those user events. Tip 5, React.js is an open-source, component-based front-end library maintained by Facebook. Question 4, what is the code architecture of React.js? Tip 1, React.js is a declarative, efficient, and flexible JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Tip 2, React.js allows you to compose complex UIs from small and isolated pieces of code called components. Tip 3, React.js has a few different kinds of components, but we'll start with React. Tip 4, in MVC framework, React.js takes part of view layer. Tip 5, React.js is an open-source, component-based front-end library responsible only for the view layer of the application. Tip 6, in React.js, we do not write any HTML directly. We use React DOM nodes to specify how the page should be structured. Tip 7, React is not an MVC framework. React is a library for building composable user interfaces. Question 5, what are the advantages of React.js? Tip 1, React.js is great for component-driven application development. Tip 2, development of program even large applications with React.js is very easy and without jQuery. Tip 3, it is possible to replace plenty of jQuery code with React-based solutions. Tip 4, React is a JavaScript library, not a framework, that creates user interfaces, UIs, in a predictable and efficient way using declarative code. Tip 5, React.js libraries reduces lot of code, help to build single-page applications and mobile apps, or to build complex apps if you utilize it with other libraries. Tip 6, React.js encourages the creation of reusable UI components which present data that changes over time. Tip 7, React.js provides a very nice way to organize and develop code for a website and to separate components. Tip 8, the user will see the page before React loads, and will then have faster navigation, along with the few interactive features that require client-side JS via React. Tip 9. React.js has become highly popular because of its extra simplicity and flexibility. Tip 10. React.js ensures faster rendering and it guarantees stable code and boosts productivity and facilitates further maintenance. Tip 11. React.js is SEO-friendly and helpful developer toolset. Question 6. What is the difference between Angular and React.js? Tip 1. React.js is not a complete application framework like Angular and it is just a view layer. Tip 2. A large difference between React and Angular is one-way versus two-way binding. Angular uses two-way binding. Tip 3. Debugging is much easier as the project becomes larger. React's way results in a better data overview. Tip 4. React allows developers to create large web applications which can change data without reloading the page. Question 7. What are the benefits of React? Tip 1. React is good, simple, and supported by Facebook. Tip 2. The main purpose of React is to be fast, scalable, and simple. Tip 3. We can handle dynamic data easily with React.js. Tip 4. Because of its reusable components and unique data rendering approach, the interfaces you create with React are flexible, fast, and lightweight. Tip 5. Netflix, New York Times, Yahoo Mail, Khan Academy, Vivaldi Browser and Dropbox are using the React.js. Question 8. What is state and constructor in React? Tip 1. In the React sense, state is an object that represents the parts of the app that can change. Each component can maintain its own state, which lives in an object called this state. Tip 2. The constructor is a method that's automatically called during the creation of an object from a class. It can be used to bind event handlers to the component and to initialize the local state of the component. Thank you for watching this video and please like, comment and share this with your friends and known contacts.